Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the DLL files missing error in any game. So if your game not launching or the DLL file is missing error, in this tutorial I'll show you how you can fix it easily and safely. So DLL stands for Dynamic Link Library, and these files help your system and games run properly. But if one's missing, the game can crash or not launch at all. So to fix the problem, you can look at the error message, not the missing DLL file like free VC runtime 140 or D3DX943.dll. The second step, you can just download the official Microsoft free distributables. So don't download DLLs from random websites, it's risky. So instead, you can just install or update these official packages. The first one, for Visual C++ errors, you can just go to the Microsoft site. So you can just search for Visual C++, this one, and find the official one from Microsoft, like this one for example, and install both the x64 and x86 versions. But for a DirectX error, you can just search from Microsoft, you can just search a DirectX and user runtime web installer, and these packages include most of the DLLs your games need. And after that, you can just restart your PC to make sure the changes apply, and you can try to launch the game again. If the error is still there, you might need to reinstall or verify the game files. And that's how you can fix the missing DLL file errors in games the right way. If this helped you out, drop a like, subscribe for more gaming fixes, and comment which DLL gave you trouble. And also don't forget to click on the thanks. Bye!